There's 5 witnesses. I think we're done with the first. No? Now, for Article 2 here, assuming we go by the particular order, that was my other question earlier that I wanted to ask the defense. No? That on Article 2, there are roughly 9 witnesses in the compliance document submitted to the court. So my question now is the intention of for orderly proceeding and for us to be able to prepare as well in this chamber, is it my understanding from the defense counsel that you will continue with 4 other witnesses for your affirmative defense?
No, when we made that announcement, Your Honor, arrangement, we were not clear about the impact nor the coverage of the order of denial or resolution of denial, Your Honor. With this order of denial barring us from presenting evidence on the affirmative defenses, Your Honor, then we will have to change our course of action, Your Honor.
Yes, I understand that, and
Yes.
that's fine with me. With regard to Article 2, there are 9 witnesses listed down here. Do we expect any changes as far as the 9 witnesses?
As of today, Your Honor, we do not intend to make any changes, Your Honor.
So more or less, we will be following the compliance document as far as Article 2.
Correct, that's correct, Your Honor. Thank you,
And for
Mr. Senator.
Article 3, there are only 2 witnesses listed in the compliance.
That's correct also.
And for Article 7, there are only 4 witnesses.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And I take it that at this point in time, no amendments or there are no changes.
No, we have not heard yet the testimony of these people whom we
Yes.
intend to present.
Yes.
So that will highly be dependent on us, Your Honor. If in our appraisal there is no necessity or further imperative necessity to call other witnesses, then we will not do so.
In total, Mr. President, just for the food for thought for the impeachment court, there are 15 witnesses listed. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you also, Mr. Senator.
So, what is the pleasure now of the House?
Mr. President,
The floor leader.
may we go now to other matters?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. President, Attorney Vitaliano Aguirre, a private prosecutor, was cited for contempt during our last hearing. The penalty to impose upon Attorney Aguirre was agreed to be discussed in caucus. Related thereto, Attorney Aguirre has filed a withdrawal of his appearance as a private prosecutor. Also, there is a pending motion of Senator Trillanes to rule on the participation of the lawyers in a press conference regarding allegations of offer of 100 million pesos to each senator judge. The issues have been fully discussed, so the impeachment court is ready to rule, Mr. President. We would like to ask for your ruling.
Well, as I said previously, the court finds it prudent, because of the attendant circumstances, to impose a penalty of admonition upon Attorney Vitaliano and Aguirre II, in view of the fact that he already filed a withdrawal of his appearance as a private prosecutor in this impeachment case. And in addition, I think he made an apology. However, the explanation and apology from on the other hand, there was also this motion of Senator Trillanes on the participation of certain members of the certain lawyers in a press conference regarding allegation of offer of 100 million to its senator judge. And I think the court feels that in effect there is an implied suggestion that there is a quid pro quo in the votes to be obtained from the members of this court, which this court considers an indirect contempt of the court. And so therefore this court is constrained to cite the one of the lawyers of the defense, Attorney Roy, for contempt. The penalty to be imposed will be subject of a determination in a caucus of this court. So ordered.
I thought it's either life or life imprisonment or death penalty.
That will, no, we do not. We do not go that far. We will.
I just said it in jest, Your Honor. I
Yes,
apologize.
I understand, but that could be misunderstood by the public, and I hope that, with due respect to the defense, this court must assert its dignity and honor in this proceeding, and we are going to think about the penalty to be imposed upon him commensurate to the degree of the what we consider to be an accusation to the members of this court. The implication of the statement of one of your members is rather serious, because it in effect suggests that this court could be paid in making a decision, and I don't think that is a proper thing to even think about this impeachment court. We may be politicians, but we have our own integrity and honor that we have earned over time. So we will take up the commensurate penalty that we will impose against the erring member of the defense panel. So ordered.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. We assure the counsel of the defense that it is not like what he said, but Senator Honasan says something to that effect.
Grabe pala. I said I was just...
Mr. President, in compliance with the request of a member of the impeachment court, the prosecution submitted the transcripts of all videos presented to the court on February 27 and 28, just for the information of the court.
Noted.
May we ask Sergeant Adams to make an announcement, Mr. President?
Please all rise. All persons are commanded to remain in their places until the Senate President and the Senators have left the session hall.
Move to adjourn until 2 o'clock in the afternoon of Tuesday, March 13, 2012.
Is there any objection? There being none, the trial is hereby adjourned until 2 o'clock of Tuesday, March the 13th, 2012. It's ordered.
Nag-adjourn po ang trial. Day 27 po ng impeachment trial ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Magbabalik po kami matapos ang ilang mahalagang paalala.
Ganap ang dengue, mag-abakada, aksyon barangay kontra dengue. Hanapin at linisin sa tahanan at bakuran ang maaaring pamugaran ng lamok, butasan ang mga lumang gulong o lagyan ng lupa. Takpan ang mga drum at timba, palitan ang tubig ng klorera 2 beses sa 1 linggo, alisin ang tubig sa paminggalan, linisin ang mga lulod, itapon ang mga bagay na maaaring pangitlugan ng lamok, magpatingin sa health center kung may lagnat na ng 2 araw. Gawing dengue-free ang inyong barangay. Mag-aksyon barangay kontra dengue. Isang paalala mula sa inyong DOH.
Nagpapatuloy po ang paglilitis Katarungan para sa bayan. Atin pong napanood ang pagpresenta, ang unang araw ng pagpresenta ng depensa ng kanilang testigo. Ito po ay si Congressman Toby Tiangco na nag-testify tungkol dito sa naging pagboto at naging proseso ng pagboto patungkol dito sa impeachment complaint na inihain ng mga kongresista laban kay Chief Justice Renato Corona.
Kung mapapansin natin, pinisinta siya bilang ibabahagi daw niya ang mga sirkumstansya ng pagboto ukol sa impeachment, na kung saan sinabi naman ni Attorney Dennis Manalo ay kinikwestiyon nga nila integridad nitong mismong impeachment complaint, pati ng mga taong nag-allege nito sa kanya. At makikita nga natin na nung napunta itong mga ito, maraming sistema ang lumabas tulad ng usapin ng PDAF at mga usapin ukol sa pagpapatakbo ng House dun sa ganitong klaseng matters. Attorney JJ, ano bang masasabi dun sa kaganapan natin ngayong araw?
Yung kaganapan ngayong araw, medyo protracted yung testimonya ni Congressman Tiangco, mawalang galang na po, Pero siguro hindi pa natin ngayon mahuhusgahan kung may relevance ba o wala yung kanyang testimonya ukol dito sa impeachment trial na nagaganap. Kasi napakaaga pa. Yun lang, medyo ultimo yung ating mga senator judges, nahabaan doon sa kanyang gustong patunguhan. And which is yung sinasabi niya na hindi binasa ng ibang congressmen ang complaint bago ito na ipasa sa Senado. So, gusto lang nilang palabasan na ni-railroad ito. Ngunit napakahaba nung kanyang mga ine-establish na facts to the point na medyo lumalabas na may grudge lang itong si Congressman Tiangco.
Pero Attorney JJ, ang tanong ko lang, di ba nag-rule na si Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile na supisyente itong complaint at walang question dun sa naging pag-transmit nito mula sa Kongreso